This is a brand new 2012 Ram truck. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a folding rear seat, cruise control, privacy glass, a full-size spare tire, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, heated side view mirrors, and satellite radio. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Ed Martin, the only name you need to know for all your transportation needs. 6 convenient locations, 9 different manufacturers, over 3,000 new and used vehicles, all online at edmartin.com. Log on to edmartin.com today.